Central Tower, data 1997 is visual, runway 07.
Close to land runway 07, wind 090 degrees, 14 knots.
07, data 1997.
Yeah man, greetings everyone, still here again with another video from beautiful Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay, Jamaica. It should be no secret by now that the numbers are increasing. The flights coming into Montego Bay has increased significantly over the past few weeks. In a previous video, I would have showed you what's happening with the Canadian Airlines and even more recently what's happening with the European heavies coming into Jamaica. In this one, I'm going to show you what is happening from United States of America. It's no doubt the bulk of the flights coming into Jamaica originates from the United States of America. The so-called Big Four is well represented in Jamaica, but the airline with the most flights, at least for a while, is not one of the Big Four. Who is it? Stay tuned, I'll tell you.
1997 arrived at 58, vacate Bravo and contact ground 1217.
Switching ground, vacating a Bravo and switching ground, Delta 1997.
The 2685, clear to land runway 07, wind 090 degrees, 11 knots.
Land 07, bearing 2685.
Additional Airbus traffic 5 miles northwest of the station, negative communication. The airborne at 590, contact radar 120.8. Good day.
Good day, 370.
So the Big Four comprises of Delta, American, United and Southwest, which all have daily non-stop flights to Jamaica 7 days a week. So which American airline was outdoing the Big Four? Let's look at some numbers, and this is specific to Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay, Jamaica. JetBlue Airlines, not listed among the Big Four, was showing the numbers at the Big Four for a while with up to 9 daily non-stop flights into Montego Bay, leaving some of the Big Four members in the dust way behind. I say behind because at present, between Southwest, United and Delta are operating 3 to 5 daily non-stop flights, until the giant American Airlines stepped in. With at present 10 daily non-stop flights, JetBlue was the giant. Stay with me, I got more.
At the 02, vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217 when you're clear. Good day.
Alright, we'll come up with Bravo and contact ground 1217, bearing 2685.
American 857, welcome back. And you're clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 14 knots.
Runway 7, American 857. Seawind 833, RMP 7.
Wings 833, Central Tower, roger. Continue approach, runway 07.
07, Seawind 833.
So the other two US-based airlines which are operating into Montego Bay would be Spirit Airlines and Frontier, which is on the minimal side right now. All these US-based airlines has the ability and will increase the number of daily flights coming into Montego Bay as the winter tourist season truly kicks in. I'll share a little bit with you with the numbers that I've seen in the past, right after our air traffic controller clears the runway.
857 arrived as vacate on Alpha and contact ground 1217 when you're clear of the runway.
17 for American 857. Transat 485, ready to go.
Wind 080 degrees out 11 knots, you're clear to land runway 07.
07, Seawind 830, going to gate number 9 today.
Transat 485, roger. Standby departure, hold short clear at 7.
Runway 07, Transat 485. 16, on the RNAV runway 07.
Russia 2116, Central Tower, continue approach, runway 07, reduce the minimum approach speed.
Reduce the minimum approach speed, we'll continue the approach WestJet 2160.
American Airlines, the giant of the United States, with a fleet of close to 1,600 aircraft, has operated up to 14 non-stop daily flights into Montego Bay, to include 2 wide bodies out of Philadelphia and Miami. Will they surpass these numbers this season?
Wings 833 arrived 13, vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217.
217 Bravo, see wind 833.
About 485, you're clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 090 degrees 14 knots.
Clear takeoff runway 07 or Transat 485.
Transat 485, no delay on the roll, traffic 5 miles final.
That's for Transat 485.
116 releasing Airbus 321 on 07, continue approach.
Continue the approach, WestJet 2117.
JetBlue Airlines is expected to maintain a high number of flights into Montego Bay throughout the winter season and usually stays closest to American Airlines for the most flights per day into Montego Bay. I've seen Delta ratchet up this game also and put the numbers very close to American Airlines to include also wide bodies in the form of the A330 or even double 757s daily. I've seen Southwest more so than United in the past brought up some big numbers also.
116, you're clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees 14 knots.
Clear land runway 07, WestJet 2116.
This another winter tourist season promises to be an exciting one, with even non-traditional US carriers promising inaugural flights to Montego Bay, Jamaica. The airline industry is a competitive one. Who knows what the big guns will pull from their arsenal this season? Might we see one of those brand new A350s from Delta landing in Montego Bay? Maybe that's wishful thinking on my part. Just know that whatever they bring, Stu will be here to share it with you. Have a blessed one.
485, airborne 15, contact radar 120.8, take care. 2116, arrived 16, vacate Bravo, and contact ground 1217, take care.
Okay, Bravo and 217. Good day, WestJet 2117. Good afternoon, Southwest 1112, visual runway 7.
Southwest 1112, close to land runway 07, wind 080 degrees 14 knots.
To land runway 7, Southwest 1112. Tower JetBlue 621 with you on the RNAV RMP 07.
Blue 621, Sanctuary Tower, roger, continue approach, runway 07.
JetBlue 621.
Southwest 1112, arrive 24, keep the roll going until Alpha, contact ground 1217, good day.
Down to Alpha 121.7. Good day, Southwest 1112.
Command runway 07, wind 070 degrees at 13 knots.
07, JetBlue 621.
801, Tower, roger, continue approach, runway 07.
U1801. Tower JetBlue 780 will be ready at the end of 07.
Roger, stand by departure. Break, JetBlue 627, vacate Bravo, ground 1217.
Over to ground, JetBlue 621.
01, clear to land 07, wind 080 degrees 16 knots.
And 7, Delta 1801. 0 United 1146. RNAV, GPS, or RT, Runway 07.
United 1146, roger, continue approach, runway 07.
Approach United 1146.
Left base is 07.
Roger, continue approach, runway 07. Traffic you're following is at Boeing 738 MAX, 11 miles final 07.
Approach runway 07 and we copy the Boeing 6 November Juliet.
Wait, 0 line up 07.
Runway 7, JetBlue 780.
California 01 arrived at 29. Are you able to make Bravo?
You can't make Bravo, we'll need Alpha Delta 1801.
Good night, vacating on Alpha, ground 1217.
Good night, Alpha 1801, roger.
Blue 780, wind 080 degrees at 21 knots, we're cleared for takeoff, runway 07. No delay on the roll.
Clear for takeoff on the roll, JetBlue 780.
Roger, to establish left base 07.
Juliet, roger. Traffic you're following, do you have it in sight? Boeing on short final 07.
Traffic inside, 6 November Juliet.
Alrighty, I arranged to follow your discretion.
Plus 6 November Juliet.
Wind 080 degrees at 21 knots, you're clear to land 07.
Land 07, United 1146.
Airborne tree 2, contact radar 120, decimal 8, you have a good one.
120, decimal 8, bye-bye, JetBlue 780. Tower 370, Romeo 6 miles final, 07.
370 Romeo, continue approach runway 07. Keep the speed up. Currently you're number 2 behind November Juliet. I have a Boeing 738 just turning final 12 miles. If I need you to break off, be prepared for the left base.
Understood, November 370 Romeo.
I said 1146, arrive 32, vacate Bravo, ground 1217.
United 1146.
6 November Juliet, clear to land runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 21 knots.
7, copy the wind, 6 November Juliet. Now we're going to vacate on Charlie.
3, are you on this frequency?
Just switch us over, American 2763 for runway 7.
2763, runway 07, reduce the minimum approach speed. Cessna 206, about 3.5 miles final, runway 07, you're following.
We're slowing the final now, American 2763.
Romeo, clear to land 07, wind 090 degrees, 16 knots.
Clear to land 07, number 370 Romeo.
Yeah.
Romeo, arrive 36, vacate Delta, ground 1217.
Delta 117, number 370 Romeo.
American 2763, clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees at 18 knots.
Let's have clear to land, American 2763.
One, two, three, three. Tower, are you ready? Roger, we have landing bay 738, short final 07, landing by weight behind.
Behind the landing, line up by weight 07, United 1683. Tier 548, we are ready in sequence.
48, roger. Stand by departure, hold short 07.
Hold short, runway 07, Frontier 548.
American 2763, arrived 37, vacate Alpha, contact to ground 1217, wind clear of the runway.
Ground 21-7, once we're clear for American 2763.
Wind is 09017, not your clear for takeoff, runway 07.
Takeoff runway 7, United 1683. Tower United 1163, RNAV, RFP, runway 07.
United 1163, thank you, Tower Roger. Continue approach, runway 07.
Continue, runway 07, United 1163.
United 1163, clear to land, runway 07, wind 070 degrees at 16 knots.
Runway 07, United 1163.
United 1683, airborne 39, contact radar 120.8 today.
Good day, switching departure, United 1683.
Flight 48, behind the landing, Boeing 738 on a 4-mile final, runway 07, and the line of the way behind.
The landing aircraft, we will line up and wait for Frontier Flight 48.
United 1163, arrived 42, vacate Alpha, contact ground 1217, and clear of the runway.
Alpha, ground on 121.7 when clear of the runway, United 1163.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots.
Takeoff runway 07, Frontier Flight 48.
For Delta shot, ready for departure.
Roger. Stand by.
Stand by.
Carolina 4807.
Runway 07 to section Delta November Alpha.
Alpha, clear for takeoff, runway 07 intersection Delta, left turn enable, wind 070 degrees, 22 knots.
Left turn enable, copy wind, November Alpha.
147, line up and wait, runway 07.
Wait, runway 07, go by 147.
Flight 48, airborne 44, contact Frankster radar 120.8, good day.
20.8, Frontier Flight 48, you have a good afternoon.
147, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 090 degrees, 16 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, go by 147.
November Alpha airborne 45, radar 120.8, good day.
Good day, November Alpha.
American 875, line up and wait, runway 07.
Wait, runway 07, American 875. 370 Romeo, ready when you are.
0 Romeo, Roger. Cleared for takeoff, runway 07 intersection Delta, wind 080 degrees, 13 knots.
07, number 370 Romeo.
875, be advised, I have a Cessna 206 intersection Delta, will be departing ahead of you.
American 875.
147, airborne 48, contact Sangster radar 120.8 today.
Sangster radar 120.8, Copa 147, thank you.
875, wind 080 degrees, 10 knots, cleared for takeoff at 07.
Takeoff, runway
0 Romeo, off at 48, contact radar 120.8 today.
Good day, 37 Romeo.
And a 983, line up and wait, runway 07.
807, Air Canada 983.
And 875, airborne 49, back to radar 120.8. You have a good one.
Decimal 8, American 875.
Canada 983, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees at 17 knots.
07, Air Canada 983. Southwest 7, shorter runway 7, ready to go.
Southwest 907, line up and wait, runway 07.
Runway 7, Southwest 907.
Canada 983, airborne 52, contact Sanctuary radar 120.8, take care.
20.8, Air Canada 983.
Southwest 907, wind 070 degrees at 20 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Clear for takeoff, runway 7, Southwest 907.
Southwest 907, you're born at 55, contact Sanctuary radar 120.8, good day.
Order Sanctuary, good day, Southwest 907.